What's up, everybody? Let's do some quadratic problems. First one here, we're going to solve this by factoring. So to do that, we need to move that 7 over to the other side. So let's rewrite this as x squared minus 6x minus 7 equals 0. And now we want to factor this. So we are factoring that left side. It's still all equal to 0. X something, x something. We need to figure out what those somethings are. Well, what do we want? We want two numbers, let's call them A and B. We want A times B to equal -7. We want them to multiply to give us -7. And we want A plus B to add and give us -6. So can you do that in your head? What two numbers multiply to -7 and add to -6? Well, it's got to be 7 and 1, because if you think about what we're multiplying to a prime number, 7. So one of these numbers has to be 7, one of these numbers has to be 1. Since that 6 is negative, that 7 has to be negative. The bigger number has to be negative. So x minus 7, x plus 1. Check it real quick. -7 times 1 is -7, and -7 plus 1 is -6. So we are good. Now, we have factored it, but we are told we want to solve it by factoring it, which means we need to find the solutions. So we're using the zero product property to say that if we have two things that are multiplied together equaling 0, then we can set both of them equal to 0. So x minus 7 equals 0, and x plus 1 equals 0. These two equations will give us our two solutions. So on that left equation, we need to add 7. So x equals 7. On the right equation, we need to subtract 1. So x equals -1. So we have found the two solutions to this equation. We have solved it by factoring.